Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing another charcoal face mask. But before I get into the video, I just want to put out a disclaimer that this face mask was sent to me by the seller and I am getting a one-time commission on it. Now that that is out of the way, let's jump into the video. I'll first start off with showing you what's inside the box, apply the face mask, and then I'll review it at the end of the video. So in the box we have the face mask, obviously. They also give a silicone applicator thing, and they also send a tea tree oil serum which is supposed to help repair your skin, and all this is for 20 Canadian dollars. So I'll put a link to it in the description box below if you guys would like to check it out. Now before using the face mask, cleanse your face obviously, and then take a warm wet towel and just apply it to your face for a few minutes to open up the pores. Now I'm going to take the silicone applicator and then apply an even layer to my face, concentrating on areas that are more prone to blackheads, and for me that is around my nose. Now that I have it somewhat evenly applied, I'm going to wait 20 to 25 minutes for it to dry, and I'll be right back. Now that the face mask is dry, I'm just going to gently peel it off, starting at the bottom and working my way to the top, and I'll show you the results in my review. And lastly, they say to cleanse the face again, which I've already done, and apply the proper amount of the tea tree serum all over the skin and massage it in up until it is fully absorbed. Now, unfortunately, they don't say what the proper amount is, so I'm just going to use what I normally use, which is 5 to 6 drops, and just apply that all over my face. Now let's review the claims. So the bamboo and activated charcoal are supposed to quickly and effectively remove blackheads, impurities, acne, and excess oil from the skin and help with skin regeneration. And as you can see, it did remove blackheads and impurities from my skin. Now I currently don't have any acne, thank the good Lord, but I do have combination skin, in the sense where my skin is more normal to dry rather than normal to oily. So the face mask did dry out my skin, but any face mask with charcoal in it will dry out your skin. So this face mask is best for people with oily to combination skin types. Just as a side note, apart from bamboo and activated charcoal, this face mask also includes witch hazel, vitamin E, and aloe extracts. Apart from witch hazel, the tea tree oil serum also contains chamomile and jojoba oil, which is supposed to repair and relax the redness in your skin by shrinking large pores and moisturizing your face, leaving it soft and smooth. In terms of ratings, I'll be giving this face mask and tea tree serum set 5 stars. And with that said, if you like this video, please take a moment to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more beauty related videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.